In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a webcam to OBS Studio. It's a straightforward process, and we'll get through it in just 5 minutes. So, whether you're setting up for a live stream, recording a video, or simply exploring new tools, adding a webcam is a crucial step in personalizing your content and enhancing viewer engagement. So, let's dive in. To begin, you'll want to have OBS Studio installed on your computer. If you haven't already done so, head over to the OBS project website and download the latest version that's compatible with your operating system. Once that's taken care of, open the OBS Studio application. Now that OBS Studio is running, take a look at the bottom left corner of the interface. You'll see a section labeled Scenes. This is where you can create or select the scene to which you want to add your webcam. If you're new to OBS, think of a scene as a canvas where you can arrange various media sources and elements such as video feeds, images, or text. If you don't have any scenes set up yet, click on the plus icon, plus, to create a new one. You can name it whatever you like. Something simple and descriptive is always a good choice. Next, it's time to add your webcam as a source. Look directly next to the Scenes box, and you'll see one labeled Sources. This is where you'll add the video capture from your webcam. Click on the plus icon, ploy under Sources, and a list of different media options will pop up. From here, you will select Video Capture Device. This will allow OBS to utilize your webcam as a source of input. Once you click on Video Capture Device, a window will pop up prompting you to name the new source. Again, choose something intuitive, maybe something like Webcam, so you can easily identify what it is later on. After you enter the name and press OK, another window should appear. Here you'll have the option to either create a new video capture device or choose an existing one if you've added a webcam before. At this point in the configuration, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Device. Click on it, and a list of available video input devices connected to your computer will be displayed. Look through the list for your webcam. It's usually named after the brand or model of the camera. Select your desired webcam from this list, and once you do, a live preview should appear in the window. This confirms that OBS has recognized your webcam and it's ready to be used. Now that your webcam is added, all that's left to do is adjust some settings, if necessary, such as resolution or frame rate to best fit your needs. Once you're satisfied with the configuration, click OK. And there you have it. Your webcam is successfully added to OBS Studio and ready for use in your scene. Feel free to move or resize the webcam preview within your scene's canvas to best fit your creative vision. Remember, the key to great content is to practice and explore all the features available to you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.